Hello and welcome. Let us now cover the type of charts in this lesson. And we will start with a bar. In our example, we have a bar. This is a column chart actually representing the fruit and the number of people who selected that fruit as the best or the nicest fruit in the year case. Note that bar chart represents data using rectangular bars of varying lengths. The length of each bar is proportional to the value it represents. These charts are suitable for comparing values across categories and show changes over time. Note that now we have these columns, and I would like to clarify that both bar and column chart are almost the same. In our example, we have a column chart, but if we flip this, we'll get a bar chart. It's important to note that bar charts and column charts are used in cases where we have categorical data against numerical data. That is, we have the category of the fruits. We have apples, orange, bananas, kiwi, blueberries, and grapes. And the number of people is the numeric data in this case. Let us move to the next chart, that is a line chart. Line charts are used to show data points connected by lines. They are effective in illustrating trends and patterns over a continuous variable such as time. These charts are very useful for visualizing trend, comparing multiple series, and highlighting fluctuations in data. Normally, these charts are used in time series. In this case, we have a simple line chart representing month against number of households. We have the highest entry in January and in June, and our months are from January to June. The horizontal axis is the x-axis, where we have the months, and the vertical or the y-axis, we have the number of houses sold. Then let's look at pie chart and donut charts. Pie charts represent data as sectors of a circle, with each sector representing a portion of the whole. They are effective showing the distribution of a whole in a part. Pie charts are appropriate for illustrating the composition of a whole, such as a market share or expense breakdown. And we have a simple example that shows rent make up almost 50% of personal spending. And these pie charts represent personal spending, with rent represented by the blue color, which is 49%. We have food, 20%, leisure, and the other one, 23%. This is actually how pie chart represents the data. And now the donut chart is a customization of pie chart, and it has a hole at the center, just like a donut. The only difference is this hole at the center. It's mainly considered a customization of pie chart to make it look more appealing. Let's look at scatter charts, which are used to represent individual data points on a two-dimensional graph. Each point represents a set of values, allowing for the visualization of relationship between variables. This chart is very useful for identifying correlation, outliers, and clusters in data. And we have a simple illustration of this. Next, we have area charts. Area charts are also a customization of the line chart. Area charts are similar to line charts, but with the area beneath the line filled. They are useful for showing the cumulative magnitude of values over time. These charts are suitable for visualizing trends and comparison of total values of different series. Then we have heat maps, and these are charts that use color to represent the magnitude of value in a matrix. In most cases, darker color typically indicate higher values, while lighter color represent lower values. They are effective for visualizing patterns and trends in large data sets, particularly in areas with a risk analysis of spatial data. Next, let's look at representation of data using geographical maps. Geographical map visualization is a method of representing data on maps to provide spatial insights and patterns. It involves the use of geographic information system tools, and it is effective for visualizing regional patterns such as population density or income distribution. That's it for type of charts that we'll cover in our business analysis and business intelligence course. In our next lesson, we'll cover best practices for effective data visualization in business intelligence.